How to use VX-DOSC Master TPMS programming tool on Toyota TPMS light on? Diagnose sensor fast with VX-DOSC Master TPMS programming tool. The first step is activation. Selecting the brand and model year in the vehicle list. Discovered an issue, a sensor needs to be replaced. During activation, the device displays real-time critical data such as tire pressure, 100 to 450 kilopascals, temperature, -40 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius, sensor ID, and battery status, providing clear visibility of the repair status. The S51 sensor offers both metal cap and rubber cap variants. You can clone or replace old sensors by programming with VX-DOSC Master and S51 sensor together. Programming includes 4 methods. Below demonstrates one of them, auto creation. Step 1. Insert the VX-DOSC S51 sensor into the top of the device to begin automatic ID creation. After replacing any sensors, perform a full vehicle walk-around to activate and collect all sensor IDs. Then connect the OBD cable to write the new IDs into the ECU. Reading sensor information. Sensor learning completed successfully. Warning light turned off. One tool for all TPMS jobs. Activate, program, and diagnose TPMS sensors without juggling multiple tools.